Hey you guys, and welcome back to the Japan Guide Kitchen, where we focus on simple Japanese recipes to try at home. Today, I'm excited to show you how to make Tamago sando, a Japanese egg sandwich. We're gonna need some eggs, mayonnaise, salt and pepper, a couple slices of bread, and some butter. So here's my perfect egg cooking technique. Bring a pot of water to boil, then turn the heat down to low and add the eggs carefully with a spoon and then put the lid on. Set your timer for about 8 minutes to get a jammy-runny yolk. While that's going, butter your bread and toast it. When the timer goes off, transfer the eggs into an ice bath to stop the cooking process, then peel very carefully. Mash 2 of the eggs up exactly like so. Add some salt and pepper to taste. Add mayonnaise. I love mayonnaise. Mix them all up together nicely. Spread some of the mashed egg on one slice of bread. Slice the remaining egg into half like that, and place it on top of the open sandwich. Now this is what I call an egg extravaganza. Close the sandwich, and you can wrap it up in paper like what I'm doing for easier slicing. Slice diagonally and take this moment to appreciate your eggy masterpiece. Look at that. Isn't she beautiful? I hope you enjoyed this excellent cooking video. Let us know in the comments below if you've made this before or gave this a try. An egg was crushed and bits of egg whites were lost in the making of this video.